In South Carolina, if you are injured, it is illegal to terminate you because you've had a workers' compensation claim. When we get into issues of employment, though, it can be tricky because sometimes we have clients that are injured that can't go back to do their job. It's very important that throughout this process, the injured worker stay in touch with his employer, making sure that they're aware of what restrictions they're under. Our goal is to keep people at work and to get them back to work. Most employers want to get people back to work. The goal is to get the best medical care that we can get to get them back. Sometimes, though, when we have people that are left with residual restrictions or impairments that will not allow them to do their job, eventually you may not be able to go back to work. There are certain laws, both on the state side and the federal law side, to protect you, but we do have clients sometimes that are left with residual injuries that don't allow them to return to their job. In South Carolina, though, it is unlawful to terminate you just because you had a workers' compensation case, and we'll protect those rights if we represent you. Our law provides certain benefits if you're injured on the job, and we deal with the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Commission, and we deal with the workers' compensation insurance carrier that represents your employer. So there's a claim filed with the South Carolina Workers' Compensation Commission. If you get us involved or don't get us involved, that claim is still filed with the Workers' Compensation Commission if you're getting medical care and benefits because you've been injured on the job. We don't deal with your employer. We don't have contact with your employer. Our goal is to get you back to work and not interfere with the employer-employee relationship. We deal with the insurance carrier that represents your employer, and that's where our correspondence goes, and that's who we deal with. We're very sensitive to the fact that most people have never been in this situation before. They don't want to be in this situation. They like their job. They just want to get better and go back to work, and that's our goal. And our goal is not to be involved with your employer, not intimidating your employer or even communicating with them. Our communication goes through the workers' compensation carrier.